What's going on, you fighting entrepreneurs? My name is Kamlesh. You are watching Your Successpedia, which stand for Your Success Learning. Your Successpedia is all about transformation channel. Is not just for the information channel. So if you want a transformation in your life, make sure you subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos notification. Let's get started, and in this video I'm going to talk about wealth triangle. Guys, what is wealth triangle? Why it's so very important to understand what is wealth triangle? I know so many of you heard this first time, wealth triangle, but believe me guys, if you understand this wealth triangle, it will change your perspective towards money, towards cash flow. And if you want to become a wealthiest person, if you want to become a richest person, then you have to understand the meaning of wealth triangle. You need to understand the science, the psychology behind this wealth triangle. When I learned this wealth triangle, it changed my perspective towards about money and cash flow. So, and I want you to change your perspective and your thought as well to become a richest person, to become a wealthiest person. So let's get started without wasting further time. So as usual guys, I have my diary with myself. Whatever I learn, I put, I write in the diary so that I can go through with daily, and I can implement all those things. So I can, if you are serious about your life, then you also have to maintain one diary, and you have to write all those learning in your diary so that you can improve daily. So let's get started with the wealth triangle. So you understand, I'm talking about triangle. So visualize this, triangle, visualize this. First line called high paying income skill, and second line called scalable business, and third line called high return on investment. I hope you visualize this. So let's talk about first scalable business. My dear friend, scalable business is something, you started any business, now you want to sell more, now you want to generate more revenue, then you have to market more, you have to scale more. Then at least for scaling required minimum 10 lakh for starting, I guess. So this much capital we don't have. So it's not possible for people who come from middle class family, right? Let's move to the third line, that is called high return investment. I complete this and I'm going to talk about this line, high return investment. So high return investment guys, if you invest the high amount, then only you will generate high return so that you can survive later on. So you can get the benefits or fruit later on. So as you listen the word high return investment, you have to invest first high amount, right? So this option is not gonna work in initial for us. So I'm not gonna focus on scalable business and high return investment more, because this is not the right way to become a rich. Become a wealthier, and for people who come from middle class family, these two things is not initial for is not a good start for us. I focus earlier. I do on scalable business. I focus on business, although I scale little, but I focus on business. I also I focus on investment. Now I'm focusing on skills. So I am a person who doing coming with all those things, and I'm understanding better with skill is the best way. Go with if you are coming from lower class family or middle class family who do not have the great amount of money to do business and do investment, then you have to focus on scalable business. So let's get started. You have to focus on a high paying income skill. So let's get started. So what is the high paying income skill? Before that, you need to understand what is the skill. A skill is something which you know, which you do very well, and which you can teach other, and for teaching other you can charge them money. Or a skill something which give you the revenue, that is called high paying income skill. For example, you have a skill of how to ride bike, how to ride bike, how to swimming. Nobody can take back those skills from you. This is the power of skill. Once you know any skill, nobody can take you that skill from you. If you do any business, somebody can teach you and take that skill from you. If you invest, somebody can teach you. But once you focus on your skill, that is high paying income skill, nobody can take away from that skill from you. So focus on skill. So let me give you some skills which are the high paying income skills in 2020. So let's get started. First thing first, that is digital marketing. My dear friend, digital marketing, digital world is an internet world, and traditional world is the world where we can do our business and our investment. That is called traditional way. Whatever we are doing right now, right now what I'm doing in the making videos and all those things, this is the digital. I'm doing something from digital world, and I'm doing my job and all those things I'm doing for traditional work. So in 2020, the high skill demanded, that is digital marketing. And digital marketing is something you have to become a salesman, you have to become a marketer, so that you can sell more product of your or any other companies. So that is called digital marketing. And digital marketing is a vast subject. It's like a university, and you have to choose one stream, a few streams. So in digital marketing, there is come Facebook advertisement, Google advertisement, email marketing, copywriting, and application advertisement, TikTok advertisement. So many advertisement, it's come in the digital marketing. You have to choose this stream, as like we are choosing when we go in the university and we choose what we want to learn. It's like digital marketing, and there is a streams like Facebook and all those things. So you have to focus on one thing. Internet, people who not focus on one thing in internet, they will lost. So you have to focus on one thing unless and until you will master that one particular skill. So focus on Google ad, focus on Facebook ad, and master those skills, and go in the market and sell your skills. Go in the market and sell that skill, because say that like I have this skill and I will generate revenue for yourself, so let me do some partnership and let me earn some money. So that is called, you have a skill, you go in the market and you trade that skill, and for trading your skills you get money. So let's move on the few more skills. I will give you the some skills which according to me, I will give you some high paying income skills which are booming in this 2020. So as I told you, man, digital marketing, Facebook marketing, Google marketing, email marketing, copywriting, and video making skill is also the booming industry. But without the video, without knowledge is waste. So you have to focus on your learning. And copywriting is one of the best skill, guys. One of the best and high paying income skill in this 2020. Copywriting skill. What is that copywriting skill? If you know how to write the articles, the pamphlet that people hook and people see, like people convert. Copywriting is the power of your words can get revenue for your company or for other company or whatever you do. So copywriting is the power of word. This is my example. This is my way of giving the example. Copywriting is the simplest. If somebody asks me what is the copywriting, I will tell you copywriting is the power of word. If you know how to write the hooking word which attract the customer and convert into the sales, then skill is something small skill like video making skills, podcast making skill. Podcast, if you don't know about meaning of podcast is audio file. Podcast making, skills which generate the revenue for yourself. That is called high paying income skill. So I'm not able to give more example, but I will tell you guys, go and search what is the high paying income skills on 2020 which help you to generate a revenue for yourself. So yeah, this is all about high paying income skills, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet you on the next video. Till that, be happy, be inspired, and stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching this video once again.